Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you my solution to fix the Power Wheels worn out tires. As you can see, my kids have several of them and they get quite a bit of use. And I got my inspiration from this one, which came factory with a piece of rubber in the middle. As you can see on this one, a few weeks back I installed the serpentine belt of a Toyota Camry of some sort. So I'm gonna show you how I do it on this fancy Camaro SS. It's now got bald tires, starting to crack in the middle. If it keeps rolling like this, it's gonna go right through the tires and they're gonna be unusable. I went to the scrapyard and picked up a serpentine belt off of a Power Stroke diesel because the tires on the Camaro are wider than the tires on the Jeep. For the Jeep, the Toyota Camry serpentine belt was fine, but I wanted a larger belt for the Camaro. I simply cut the belt straight with scissors and use my small gauge brad nailer, which I usually use for my house moldings. And I'm gonna use 1-inch nails because that's what I have in stock. And I'm just gonna nail it right on the tire. You'd be surprised how hard these nails hold. I just used 2 nails about 2 or 3 inches apart, and this stuff is stuck on there. You could use some kind of epoxy of some sort, but I'm cheap and this barely cost anything. I just butt the joint together and I use a few extra nails at the joint to make sure it doesn't split. And there you go. Almost looks factory. Takes a couple minutes to do, almost free. And this belt is really tough. I doubt I'm gonna have to change it, but if I do, pry it off with a screwdriver and throw on another scrapyard belt. Hope this helped as a cheap solution. Thanks for watching.